how to fix Roblox authentication error code 429. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to Click Command. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Roblox authentication error code 429. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that I recommend you guys take is just wait for it. So sometimes there can be error in the server side, so there is actually nothing you can do. So just wait for a few hours and try to use your Roblox again and check if your problem is fixed. If that does not fix your problem and you are not be able to authenticate, what you can do is search for view network connections in your search bar, view network connections, and after you search for that, just you will see your network adapters, and there you will be able to see your Wi-Fi connection. So just open up whichever connection that you're connected to, and then you will get this Wi-Fi status tab. Head over to its properties, tap on properties, and this should open up. Right there, scroll down until you find IPv4, that is Internet Protocol version 4. Double tap on it and this should open up. Now right here under obtain DNS, select use the following DNS and select this DNS 1111, and for the next one 1001. After that, tap on OK. I'll just cancel this and tap on OK again and save this setting. After you save the setting, you can restart your Roblox and then your problem should get fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Click Command.